This iconic Atletico Madrid jersey begins as tiny polyester pellets melted into liquid. Molten polyester forms microfibers stretched for maximum strength before becoming durable performance yarn. High-speed spinning machines transform fibers into yarn cones ready for fabric manufacturing today. Computerized knitting machines create lightweight, breathable fabric designed for elite football performance worldwide. These white jersey fabrics entered into a jet dyeing machine and emerged into dye and turned into Atletico Madrid jersey red fabric.
Engineers digitally design every stripe, logo, measurement, and technical production specification carefully. Patterns are graded digitally, guaranteeing identical fit across every available jersey size perfectly.
Complete jersey graphics combine into one master printing layout before manufacturing officially begins. Industrial plotters print brilliant graphics onto transfer paper using ecological sublimation inks precisely. Extreme heat transforms ink into gas permanently, bonding colors inside polyester fibers forever. Unlike ordinary printing, sublimation never cracks, peels, or fades after repeated washing cycles. Printed fabric layers move into computerized cutters for precise production with incredible speed. Laser cutters seal fabric edges instantly, preventing fraying during demanding football matches everywhere. Every precisely cut panel is sorted before skilled assembly begins inside the sewing department.
Experienced operators stitch jersey panels together using advanced industrial sewing equipment with precision.
Flatlock stitching creates smooth seams that reduce friction against athletes during intense competition. Overlock stitching strengthens every seam, ensuring exceptional durability throughout countless competitive matches worldwide. Collars, sleeve trims, and neck tape complete the professional jersey construction beautifully today. Official crests, sponsor branding, and labels are attached with outstanding manufacturing accuracy always. Every jersey undergoes careful inspection for color accuracy, defects, and perfect print alignment thoroughly. Measurements are verified precisely to match official specifications before factory approval is granted. Seam strength and fabric flexibility are tested to satisfy demanding professional performance standards completely.
Finished Atletico Madrid jerseys are packaged carefully before shipping to fans across the globe.
From melted polyester to match-ready perfection, every jersey represents precision, innovation, and football passion.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.